In this video we're going to solve cos theta is equal to 0.5 for theta being between 0 and 360 degrees. So we've got cos theta is equal to 0.5, so we're solving it between 0 and 360. Now the first step is to do cos to the minus 1 of 0.5, which is 60 degrees. Now if you remember it, or you can do it on your calculator. And then we go to the unit circle idea. From the idea of the unit circle is that in the second quadrant sine is positive, in the first quadrant all of them are positive, in the third quadrant tangent's positive, and in the fourth quadrant cos is positive. We want to know where cos is positive because we've got positive 0.5, and cos is positive in the first and the fourth quadrants. So what you do now, in the first and the fourth quadrants, you draw an angle of 60 degrees. So make with the horizontal axis. So make that one 60 and that one 60. And then remember that 0 degrees starts from here and we go around anti-clockwise are positive angles. So therefore theta can be equal to 60 degrees, or going all the way around the circle to this angle here. But we can get this angle here by doing 360 minus 60 degrees. So that's going to give me an answer of 60 or 300 degrees. So this is in a video to show you how to solve a simple trigonometric equation using the unit circle idea, or CAST sometimes it's known, or South Asian Tennis Club. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.